Back at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, and we are with Vanquish Yachts. We are on board the VQ55, the world premiere, and I am fortunate enough to be talking to Thijmen Bolle from Vanquish Yachts. He is going to give us a walkthrough and show us this extraordinary vessel, 3,000 horsepower of incredible power.
So welcome on board on our newest model, the Vanquish 55, with the 5x600 Mercury. It has a top speed of 70 knots, so it's really comfortable still with 70 knots. We have the stepped hull, the negative bow, 3 spray wheels, so it goes like a tank through the waves. It's really pushing the water away, and that makes the boat also very dry and comfortable.
What's the beam?
The beam is 16 feet.
16 feet, yeah.
16 feet.
Just massive.
Here on the aft we have a big sunbed, and in the center we have a big table with a lot of sitting area, with a big sitting area. We have a big wet bar over there with 2 sinks and 4 big fridges and a big ice maker. Additional to that, we have 45 cup holders on board, all carbon fiber. So we have the stepped hull on this boat. What makes it very comfortable. It goes a little bit up on the water. It makes it a little bit more. It flies a little bit more.
Sure. Yeah, take us through. Let's take a look at this beauty.
To start, we have the fender storage here, so it's easy access to grab them and to prepare your fenders and lines. Also the cup holders here on top. A big table over here with the wine cooler. You can put ice cubes in here, some bottles, champagne or rosé.
Plenty of seating. Yeah, this is just wild.
Here we have the wet bar with double sinks. You can also choose to do 1 cooktop and 1 sink, so you can play with that. Here we have 4 fridges. So plenty of room. Big ice maker.
It's an entertaining beast.
Yes. Here on the side, we have the side boarding doors. What makes it very easy to step on board or to pick up people when the dock is a little higher. On the side of the boat, we have a big rub wheel. So it's easy, makes it more comfortable with docking. When we take a look at the cockpit, you will find 3 22-inch Garmin screens. We have our own Vanquish software integrated in the Garmin screen, so you can control the whole boat via the Vanquish page. You can control the lights, the pumps, so all that kind of stuff. Also, we have an AC here in the cockpit.
I'm sorry, what?
An AC, air conditioning.
AC.
Yes.
Joystick control.
Yes, we have a joystick, bow thruster. The joystick is actually connected to the bow thruster, so it moves really quick. And of course, the iconic Vanquish steering wheel.
Very cool.
And if you take a look on the side of the console over here, we have the windbreak doors, of course, with a speed of 70 knots. You will have quite some wind coming by. So with the windbreak doors, it makes it more comfortable, and you sit in the back of the boat.
Oh, sure.
Then we can take a look here in the cabin. So in the bow, you will find a queen size bed.
Oh, it's huge.
The height of this cabin is impressive.
Yeah.
So it makes it very comfortable and spacious.
What is the clearance? No?
I can't tell you actually. It's
like 7 feet.
yeah, it's a lot. Here we have the bathroom with shower. And here we have the separate room.
Oh, that's awesome.
A lot of cabinets, so a lot of storage.
Storage under all the
On
beds. And
yeah, but here on the sides as well,
sure.
and here in the front, all storage. We can take a look at the bow of the boat.
Let's do that.
Here on the bow of the boat we have a big table, a big couch. You can pull this out, so you can also have dinner here.
Wow.
We have the option for the sun awning with the carbon poles, so the whole boat is fully covered by sunshade. We have a light bar in the rooftop.
Taking it right into the sun, but you know that it's just stunning.
Thank you,
Yeah.
thank you. So here on the aft, underneath the sunbed, we have a big storage. I will open it up so we can take a look.
Please.
You can stand over here if you want.
Holy
So here
moly.
you can store all your dive equipment, toys, paddle boards, surfboards, all that kind of stuff. Plenty of room.
Just massive.
And here you can store the sea bobs. So I hope you enjoyed the tour.
Absolutely did. Absolutely spectacular boat.
Great.
It's been a great show so far. I appreciate it. Thank you
You're
very, very
welcome. It was
much.
a pleasure.